Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to unlink GitHub from Discord. Whether you want to remove it from your personal Discord profile or stop notifications in your server, let's get right to it. First, to remove GitHub from your personal Discord profile, open the Discord app and click the User Settings gear icon right next to your username at the bottom. Once you are in your settings, click on Connections in the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the GitHub card and simply click the small X in the top right corner of that box to disconnect your account. Next, if you are trying to stop GitHub commit notifications from posting inside a specific server channel, you need to delete the webhook. Right-click on the text channel that is receiving the updates, select Edit Channel, and go to the Integrations tab. Click on Webhooks, find the one that is named after your GitHub integration, click on it, and hit the Delete Webhook button at the bottom. Then, to be absolutely sure the connection is completely severed, you should revoke the permissions directly from the GitHub website. Log into your GitHub account, click your profile picture in the top right corner, and select Settings. Scroll down the left sidebar to find Applications, and click on the Authorized OAuth Apps tab. Find Discord in your list of apps, click the three dots next to it, and hit Revoke to remove all access. And that is it. Your GitHub and Discord accounts are officially unlinked. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.